Yes, people, the voice of the Wakaman is here. Pleasant good day to everyone, man. How are you going? We know come nobody station here to make some report and thing now. Now I send another message to Mr. Faris Alwari and Gary Griffith. And I want to tell you something. I realizing that there's plenty thing going on in this country and all you don't know. And if all you do know, all you know in how all you want to know it. And from today, the businessmen and them that joining up with me and going to come against this state to sue the police and to sue the state that what they do and they disrespecting certain order, I want to say thanks to them. I want to say thanks to the businessmen and them. Because you know why? People feeling that you have to have as a freaking bulla man at all, boy. Patrick Stout, let's imagine a fucking DJ doing that. Let's imagine a DJ, a fucking DJ in a radio station, paying the fucking police money and paying them money to come to what? To bring what guns and fucking ammunition with what? All you come and break the fucking woman door. All you have a fucking search warrant with marking Karen Williams. Then in my fucking house, I don't live there. That way when you see a customer up the fucking police and telling them it's O behind them mother cunt. Now all you go see a canal. All you go see a canal Trinidad and Tobago. But that how it go be. When a police drop down on the road and they fucking get heart attack and things happen to them, I had to fucking celebrate by, I had to tell God, I had to watch up in the air and ring the fucking bell. They wouldn't like that. No public doctor, another thing quite sure, no. Them come and give me a ticket for a mass. The way I have it, why I put it on inside I in my van. And them charge me for a mass on a video. What about the fucking politician and them? What about Winston Rago doing live? Public, all they realize who is the man that jamming them? All they think, it's not a man who jamming them. The police and them are going behind them. Them getting paid to come behind me. That's what they getting fucking do is pay, they get pay. It's pay, they fucking pay me in the radio station. The fucking Bullaman DJ and the Bullaman fucking radio station. By all of their mother cunt, boy. Fucking telling me about ticket and what? Mass face mother cunt. All you come, police come and buy somebody place, right? With the people addressing my fucking name and come in somebody else's place, no name, no nothing. They come at a fucking dog, no public. That's somebody who now call me, right? They call me and they say they put it on the radio station and they letting them know that Wakaman don't be in anything. All they could say, Wakaman mouth little hot. Guns and ammunition, Trinidad and Tobago. But people, why they talk about the fucking gun license and them, eh? They come down to go make a report on the fucking police and them. That way the people and them, the guy, the people don't mash up. It's the same way the police have the right to do what they do. The radio station, we calling the radio station, we asking them to play politician, are we going mad? We asking the radio station, and because we jamming the radio station, and jamming Boom Champion, and jamming fucking 101.5, I said a Bullaman in the radio station, it is alleged. It is alleged the bullying people in the station for airplay. And they can't take that. It's Obeah. It have no law for Obeah. You could run by all the fucking police all they want. Or they have no law for Obeah. Obeah is an invisible fucking thing, by. All they making all this stuff an ass, by. All they feel like afraid fucking all you. Police. When I see the fucking police, them drop down. And a police wrap around a lamp pole. And they shoot their fucking self. And they get heart attack as celebrating. Because somebody could call all you. From a radio station, a DJ could call the police, spend their money, arrange 7 van load of fucking police to come by a fucking place where I don't live, where I spend the night. You understand? They come by the people's houses out a fucking warrant. And they say so. They bring a paper where even stamp. Commissioner of Police, Mr. Gary Griffith. Your name, the police and them using your name and they're doing things and making you get bad. Is your police is the problem. Mr. Fares Alwari, I always say you're a nice man. I always say I don't have nothing against you. I just cuss everybody down to you and all too. But I'm sending out this message to you, Mr. Fares Alwari as the AG in this country. And Mr. Gary Griffith, I asking the business people and them to come and join with me. And let me sue this country. Let me put this thing all over the net. Let me show the public and them way a man on a radio station could call the police and pay the police to send by you and make up story and ball guns and ammunition. So what law it have for we? What law it have for we? What law it have for the boy and the man and the little child? What law it have for the fella not going to work today? What law it have for we 2 door that break down? What law they put in place for that? Gary Griffith, I want to let you know, it have innocent people out here. Gary Griffith and the AG, Commissioner of Police. It have innocent people out here and you know that, Gary Griffith. You know that, sir. You know when dealing with all them fucking man and them. You know that personally. That's why I have us a fucking come and cuss all you. They say come from no fucking Rowley and Kamla. None of them. I don't know where it coming from. The fucking police linking with the fucking crooks them. That's what they're doing. They linking with the crooks and executing fucking thing for money by. And Mr. Fares Alwari and the AG are wanting to crack down on all them police and them. Crack down on your police, Gary Griffith. Crack down. Let us stop take money. Let us stop take chain up. Them come and give me a fucking ticket where I talking. So what were them? All them activists and them Trinidad and Tobago? That fucking talking on the Facebook. And they have no mask face on. I get charged a fucking mask face for talking on the Facebook in my fucking van. That's what they charge me for. They can't come at me. And what I preaching and what I talking public is a jamming them. And all is still afraid to fucking support me. All is still afraid to fucking share my video. All is still afraid to let the public know what's going on. All is fucking covered out there. Because I given my life to stand up for fucking God and the righteousness and me afraid. But I realize public people out there, all you want to see me when I study about myself and I get what I get and I do what I do and I study about when I say myself and God children, fuck away. Because I'm pouring up my guts and I'm pouring up my life and people out there. They in for this way. They in for a better country. They in for the fucking money men them to pay the fucking police and send the 7 van load of police by Wakaman. Authorize a control fucking thing. Read it. That woman will come by that sick fucking woman police. She had no fucking kidney, the woman kidney sick. Police is the biggest criminal by. I keep telling Gary Griffith that. Gary Griffith, I'm going to do your whole police force fucking Obeah again. When police start to drop down on the road, heart attack, shoot themselves, run up the road, are celebrating. I'm buying a fucking Guinness and I'm whining low with music. I'm playing all the low music on them. When PC Pago you get heart attack and fucking dead, Ian Allen say good policeman, my mother cunt. Why Ian Allen? Why Ian Allen can't go like long time and help the citizens and fuck the police up? At long time Ian Allen say be going for police. At long time Ian Allen say be jamming police. Where you think he make me went and do? Sing the song for Chemical Alley? And what happened public? Ainsley Transport. They come this morning with 7 van of fucking police. It is alleged the radio station fucking DJ from 101.5, from 100.5. It is alleged DJ fucking Blaze, the police tell me is he. I don't give a fuck about the police, boy. It's over in them mother cunt, boy. Where they go do me? Boy, fuck all of them mother cunt, boy. Them too fucking nasty, boy. I don't like them thing. Why all they can come? And when I ask them, to go and lock up fucking Das with the money where Das take, Das still owing me money, boy. TTPS Force, Das still owing me money. He take 30,000 from we and rub with the fucking money. And when he rub with the money and I talk about it on Facebook, he bring fucking Ian Allen and Smith. He pay them money. And they come and lock him up. And the fucking fraud squad still lock up Das. The police still lock him up. Because you know why? Money, boy. Money, boy. The man still owing Stacey Ramrup. It going in 2 fucking years. He's still owing the money. Fraud squad, police, this one, that one, all of them is the same fucking thing in this country, boy. That's why I glad I have Obia. That's why I glad I go ring the bell. That's why I glad I go down in the cemetery. That's why I glad I go jam for cock fucking prayers. I go jam fucking, I upset all the blood prayers. I go jam all of them fucking cemetery prayers. I will upset all the Obia in this fucking country. I tell you that. No, let's think what telling no later. The man take $30,000 from me. When he rub with the money and I ask him if the man ducking we, I went up on Facebook and I tell him how I got jam him with the fucking Obia. He run along and say I threaten him. Big fucking wakaman get the charge me for threatening. Big fucking thing on the social media. The whole country seeing wakaman get charged for harassment. For my own fucking 30,000. The fucking police they take no report. The fucking fraud squad they take no report. The fucking people on them going on the road. The police on them down there. What going on? Up to now the police never lock up Das, boy. Up to fucking now, the man still owing we and make a fucking jail for my own money. And all they want to come in this country and talk about police. Look the fucking weed here. The weed in a fucking pack and the shit fucking dog where the police come, they can't find the fucking weed. The police bring dogs where it's gun. They come for guns and ammunition, Trinidad and Tobago. Fuck up thing in the country. And you know what I really want to tell you the truth today? Fares Alwari and the fucking commissioner of police, they know nothing by. I go in and fucking sue the state. I go in and make them fucking people sue the state. Sue all them fucking policemen. The same way all their work to do is the same way the people them had their work to do too. I fucking sorry. Look right now they buy lawyer here. Right now they buy the lawyers and them here. Right now with certain big fucking men involving. I go then call Mr. Fares Alwari and the commissioner of police. I ask them all to step in this matter and organize and clear up this matter, you know. Because let me tell you what, it no start. Meaning in no violence, no ranking thing, and meaning in spiritual and for righteousness. And standing up for the right thing out here. Think what telling you Gary Griffith. Think what telling your commissioner of police, boy. Think. Them men and them out there. Jam them, bro. All about our prayers to help you. Thank you very much, Golden Child. Thank you. I tell you all that. Or they need to stand up at Wakaman, boy. Or they need to stand up at me in this country, boy. I realize that, boy. Unless me come up my next profile and share my video and share it out in the public, but I can't blame all of you because they're blocking me too. So I feel the best thing for you to do in our timing, just lock off this while doing here. That way they want. They don't want me to save nobody again. They don't want me to end wise nobody again. So I don't know why I go do. But I sacrificed my life for this. But when I have myself in an order and fix everything in order, I won't have time for these things again. You know why the police them come for? Because the DJs them by. The DJs in the radio station by. The fucking DJs and them by. It is alleged fucking Blaze by. Blaze, when we call on all for me song, all you playing me song by. All only playing shit on the radio by. That's all they playing by. 7 policemen come and go on with me and feeling is this and feeling is that. Well, let's spread the video rock bulletin, what happened?
You know, here the policeman asking me if I want to make a complaint or a report against the police. I said yes. He said we had to make we complain.
He didn't wait until I done talk. Then
all of them know what they're doing, boy. And he looked like one of them we come this morning.
Hey, Chantal.
Yeah.
What's going on, right?
That higher authority, you know. They say shit.
Right.
They go to the fucking higher authority and tongue.
We go now Port of Spain now when the police come.
Yeah, any police
Right.
complain, we going.
Trinidad and Tobago, or let's spread the video rock bulletin. You see the woman gone, she break up the door. The woman gone to make a report in nasty Shogunland police station. And Mr. Nelson from Shogunland police station, you ain't taking the report. Trinidad and Tobago, let's see and Mr. Gary Griffith and the AG are talking to all you. Deal with this matter, you know, because that's going on.
They come back.
No, they were sorry.
And our Gary Griffith step into the matter like how he step into other people matter.
You talk and tell them what they do.